Okay, so unfair dismissal available earlier with uncapped compensation. When regulations came into force on the 1st of January, when they come in on the 1st of January, what will happen is it will go back. So it will affect people that you're taking on in July. All employees with 6 months or more service will be able to claim unfair dismissal. Okay, this and other unfair dismissal related changes pose a risk to employers as it increases the risk of unfair dismissal claims by increasing the number of employees who can make it. Okay, potentially increases the cost of those claims with the lifting of the compensation cap, and those claims could take longer to come to the employer's attention. So this is retrospective. So unfair dismissal changes you need to know. October 2026, time limit for employment tribunal claims set to increase to 6 months. Okay, so we've got, so in October, time limit, so at the moment 3 months. There are exceptional circumstances where it is extended, but we've got up to 6 months. And actually, I have a cracking tribunal I have mentioned on here a long time ago. Excuse me, I represented at it. It's still to this day makes me emotional when I think about it. I stepped away from representing in tribunal because of this. It makes me emotional. It gets me stressful. It's when somebody I think deserves justice and doesn't get it. And it was to do with the time limit. And it was to do with, I don't know if I can talk about it actually, because it's quite a sad one. But let me tell you, in exceptional circumstances, that somebody can have an extension to the time limit if they are ill. Okay, if they are ill, not their partner, not somebody they live with, not a relative, and it affects them, and then they can have an extension. And this particular tribunal, the man involved, it was his wife that was poorly, and it was a very sad story. And the law is the law, basically. But with this particular one, so I just want to let it out there that there are certain exemptions there. But currently, for for an employment tribunal claim, it's 3 months. And you get a lot of disgruntled employees. Even years later, I meet them that say, "Can I take my employer to tribunal? How long ago did you leave?" And they say like 3 years. No, there's a cap, but that's been extended to 6 months.